Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. And in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add your YouTube channel link on your Instagram. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on a profile picture looking icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you can see the option called edit profile. So you want to click on edit profile. And once you click on edit profile over here, it's going to bring you to your profile. Now over here, I get this website option over here. And this is the place where I can paste my YouTube channel link. But if you also want this website icon, make sure you convert your account into a business account. Which means if your Instagram account is a personal account, make sure you convert it into a business account. Once you do that, you're going to get this website icon over here as well. And this is necessary for you to enter your YouTube channel link, alright? So what you want to do is now go to Google Chrome or like your YouTube channel. So I'm going to use Google Chrome to go to my YouTube channel over here real quick. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Now once I go to my YouTube channel, I'm going to copy this URL link over here. Once I do that, I come back to my Instagram over here. So I'm going to enter the link which I just copied over here now. So this is the link of my YouTube channel. So I click on done at the top right corner. Now wait for some time, it's loading for a bit, but after the loading is complete, your YouTube channel link should be appearing on your bio like this. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to your YouTube channel just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can add your YouTube channel link on your Instagram bio. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.